Hello all, in this video we are going to learn how to design a certificate using Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters and other visual content. It is available on web and mobile and integrates millions of images, fonts, templates and illustrations. Let me see how to design a certificate using Canva in easy steps. Before that, subscribe the channel Tech Learning Home to receive more videos on online teaching and learning tools. Type canva.com. If you have login ID, you can log in directly or else you can sign up by using your mail ID and password. This is my login page, canva.com login page, and here you will find many options that certificate poster, presentation, Instagram post, so many options are there. So now I'm going to choose the certificate option because I'm going to design a certificate using Canva. So I have chosen certificate option. So in this you can able to find many templates accordingly. Here you will find many templates. Suppose you want to create certificate based on the award certificate, you can choose from this and diploma certificates, and there are so many types available here. I'm going to choose this one. Recently I have used this, so I'm going to choose this template. This is the certificate template. So if you want to edit all the things, you can edit it. So if you want to add a badge, you can choose element option here. So after selecting element option, just put badge. It will open the many badges. Which badge you want, you can choose it and drag and paste in the certificate. Just I am choosing this and keeping the badge here. And if you want to edit this design, you want to flip it, just you can select by clicking this option. So you can drag. If you want to flip this, you can drag like this. So if you want to change the color, you can choose the option here available. You want to change the color, just you select the color and it will be changed. You want to edit the text, you just click the option, you will find text box. I'm going to change this certificate as participation, certificate of participation. This is to awarded. I'm going to change this option as name because this, after designing this certificate, I'm going to embed this certificate in Certify-EM. So I'm pasting the tag here to print the name of the participant. Here you want to change the content of the body of the certificate, you can change it as you like, and you can add your name, signature, everything here. If you want to change the background color, it is also available. Just choose this one and go to background color. If you want to change any background color or design, you just choose it. It will appear in the background. You want to change this color, you just select it. You want to flip this one, you just go to dragging option and changing color. Here it is available. You want to change it according to background, you just select it. So likewise you can edit the certificate. If you want to insert the logo of your college or any other logo, just you can choose this option, upload image. You can select the image from this option and you can drag the image from source file to your certificate. If you want to add logo like this badge, you can select this badge and then drag and paste it here, and you can move this text box left side over to, so that it will be visible like certificate. This is the certificate I have designed by using Canva. It looks so good. So here college name will appear, and then I have used the badge, and in that badge I have fixed some text like big data, and the college recognized all this data comes here. Certificate of participation, this is to certify full name and other identifier used in the certificate to print the college name, and content of the certificate. Here sign of the principal and convener. If you want to add any more, you can add it here. So in this way we can create certificates in easy steps by using Canva. Thank you guys. Next video we are going to learn about creating thumbnails by using Canva. See you in next video. Thank you.